The possibility of Lisa leaving Blackpink raises significant questions about the future of the group, the K-pop industry, and her own career trajectory. As one of the most influential members, her departure would not only reshape the internal dynamics of Blackpink, but also create ripple effects across global fandoms and entertainment markets. Understanding these consequences requires examining the impact on the group's identity, the broader industry, the emotional and organizational response of fans, and the opportunities and challenges Lisa herself would face as a solo artist. Lisa's departure would directly impact the group's identity. As the main dancer and rapper, her style defines much of Blackpink's sound and stage presence. Without her, the group's songs would lose a distinctive edge, forcing YG Entertainment to either reinvent the group's concept or reduce Blackpink to a static brand with occasional releases. The internal dynamic would also shift dramatically. Lisa plays a crucial role in connecting with international fans and energizing performances. Her absence could create tension among the remaining members and encourage them to pursue solo careers more aggressively, triggering a domino effect. Commercially, the brand Blackpink would weaken. The group's global appeal relies on the synergy of all four members. Losing Lisa would diminish their influence in Southeast Asia and Western markets, reducing their ability to dominate as a unified act. Lisa leaving would set a powerful precedent. It would be one of the most high-profile exits from a female K-pop group, comparable to Zayn leaving One Direction or Camila Cabello leaving Fifth Harmony. This would reshape how idols and agencies negotiate independence. Her departure would also redistribute power among entertainment companies. With Lisa's immense popularity, international labels would compete to sign her, intensifying global competition and putting pressure on YG Entertainment, which would lose one of its most profitable stars. Finally, it would reinforce the growing trend of idols becoming personal brands. Lisa could establish herself as an independent icon, inspiring other artists to follow suit and weakening the traditional agency-controlled group model that has dominated K-pop for decades. The fandom would inevitably split. Some fans would celebrate Lisa's independence and support her solo journey, while others would feel betrayed by the group's fragmentation. This division would weaken the collective strength of Blinks, which has been central to Blackpink's success. Emotionally, the exit would cause disappointment and grief among longtime fans who see Blackpink as a family. Yet, it would also spark excitement and anticipation for Lisa's solo projects, creating a bittersweet mix of sadness and hope. Organizationally, a parallel fandom dedicated solely to Lisa would emerge. While this would strengthen her solo career, it would reduce the unity of Blinks as a whole, undermining their ability to mobilize globally in support of the group. For Lisa, leaving would open extraordinary opportunities. With her popularity across Asia and the West, she could secure contracts in fashion, film, and music, positioning herself as a global artist beyond the K-pop sphere. However, the risks are significant. A solo career requires constant output and innovation. Without the support of Blackpink, Lisa would face immense pressure to maintain her success, and any misstep could lead to rapid decline. Ultimately, the move would allow her to build a strong personal brand. She could become an independent icon with her own style and projects, seen as a strategic step toward autonomy. Yet, she would need to prove that she can sustain long-term success without the group's backing. Lisa's potential departure from Blackpink would mark a turning point not only for the group, but for the entire K-pop industry. While it could open doors for her to expand as a global icon, it would also challenge the stability of Blackpink's brand and test the loyalty of its fandom. The ripple effects would be felt across music, fashion, and entertainment, highlighting both the opportunities and risks of idols pursuing independence. What do you think? Would Lisa leaving Blackpink strengthen her career and inspire others, or would it weaken the group and divide the fandom beyond repair?